Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I always intro my videos in the bathroom. I don't know why, but I feel like that's where I'm like, okay, time to get going. Remember last video, I was like, honestly, like I haven't really been feeling the best. I went to the doctor and now I'm on antibiotics, so thankfully I'm starting to feel better finally. Today, we're staying home. Wouldn't be surprised if I stayed in my PJs for most of the day. These are the Victoria's Secret PJs. Are you kidding? They're so stinking cute. My skin has not been this bad since I probably was like in high school. So I'm gonna do a face mask. I'm gonna use the Kiehl's Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask. Oh my gosh, I've been trying to do more face masks lately just because my skin has been going through it, honestly. Okay, so this is the face mask that I'm using. I was sitting in my room and I was like, and like I moved in here not too many months ago, so there's definitely still some things that were like gating still, and like a lot of the furniture in here was from my college apartment, and I'm like slowly swapping stuff out. Like we finally got a new dresser, mounted the TV, this is just a monitor, and then new bed frame, bedside tables. Now that it's like me and Keenan living here together, we want to elevate the room. And like I would do the same thing if I was living alone, but I think the cool thing is he and I have similar but different tastes. Like I'm very like white, bright, open, I want to feel the sunlight, and he's like, let's put accents of black in it. And at first I was kind of like, black, like that's the opposite of what I like. I found this and I was like obsessed with it because it's the rattan material still. Like this is the rattan right here, and on the bedside tables over here, that is that same rattan, but it's just wood. And I was like, wait, those low-key look so good still. And then I was sitting on the bed the other day and I was like, okay, first of all, I hate these like curtains. I don't know why. I just like, I didn't mind them at first, but then the more you start to live in here and then the more you're like, the environment that I'm in really sets the tone for me. I was like, I feel like if we put like ceiling high all the way down curtains, it would make the room, it would give the room so much more warmth and so much more life. Like I feel like it would make it feel so much nicer. I got the Christmas bed sheets from Target. Look. And I got like the pillow. I also got the blanket. Wow, it's just so nice. And it's very comfy to sleep in. Christmas movies. My birthday's on Christmas. I feel connected to Christmas. When I was younger, my grandma Lucy, she would literally made my birthday feel so special. She had elves come when we were all younger. And ever since then, I was just like, yeah, I'm in with Santa. Like, what's up? Me and Santa were like this. Like he sent elves. That's what I thought. But then when I got older and I found out that Lucy sent him, I was still honestly like, that was such a slay memory for my childhood. So I've always felt very connected to Christmas. The Holiday is my favorite Christmas movie, but I'm saving that to watch with my mom.
Collaboration, gifting, or a collab in general, and the way they do is different. Some send you a submission form and then like sign up to get CR. We're not selecting everyone, so you get lucky. And then someone's gonna be like, stuff.
Boom, work stuff is done. I ordered the like rail thing for the curtains, and we're gonna go to IKEA to get curtains. My hairstyle that I always used to do, which is like a low bun in the back and then my curtain bangs out, and then I just like curl the curtain bangs and it just frames the face really nice. Okay, this is what the bun looks like. I can't see it. What's going on in the back is not my deal. You're probably not gonna expect the pants that I'm wearing because I said I was gonna go monochromatic. They're like these Nike pants that are, I never wear them, but every time I wear them I get so many compliments, and today I was like, you know what, okay, slay. So I'm ready. We're gonna go get some new curtains. So excited. I feel like it's gonna elevate the room a lot. This is a little phone.
Next question.
Vlog update. We went to IKEA. They did not have the right size. Wait, don't pull it out. And so then we took a little detour and we decided to do some axe throwing.
Hello.
And he literally shot a bullseye right when I started the vlog. Look at that.
Come on.
I got him. We're gonna do red. He's beating me, you guys.
Well, except I throw 3 more axes, that's why. She'll pull up, she'll pull up. Got that. The black rib.
That is in the black.
Is that in the black?
Yeah.
You give that to me?
I'm giving it to you.
I'll take it. Put a little more VIP on it. That counts. Yeah. Let's see.
Don't look.
That's blue.
Don't look.
Oh Jesus! That thing nearly came back. Damn! Let's go. Money. Money. Can you come show me where you're actually, please?
Yeah. This is my axe.
Yeah.
It's perfectly in the center of the red and black.
I think that's a good throw right there. That's a good throw.
Right? I agree. Look at that. I threw that. That's my second. This is my second. This is bullseye. What do you
Bullseye.
call it? This is my second bullseye.
This is the whole thing.
Thank my friends and family. I'd like to thank Keenan.
Thank you so much.
For providing this experience today. I couldn't be more grateful. Thank you to everyone here. It's the next day. Keenan has a day off of work today, so he's here.
What's up, beauties?
The curtain track came in and that looks like this. And then apparently you can just like cut it as you go. Also ordered this this top that's a Skims dupe, and it's double lined red top and it's so soft. I got it red because red is like the color of the season. Long top, I got it on Amazon for like 20 bucks. It's linked in my Amazon storefront under I think like fall/winter essentials. I made like a fall winter essentials. It's like just fun seasonal things that you could get. Let me see if I can get you like a better angle. We're gonna measure the window because I did it by myself yesterday and girl math, you know.
106.5.
106. So I measured it good.
Yeah.
But I did
58.5.
almost like cut my finger off, letting that thing go right back in there on its own. Because when that went in there, it was like at its full length.
Or when it snaps back like
and
that.
it snapped back and the metal thing was flying all over the room. And running around, and I was like, just hoping I didn't lose a finger.
Nice, guys. We're on our way to Target.
Okay, we're going to...
Whatever color her shirt is. Target.
That was so good.
Right?
Yeah.
Red.
The mounts are in. We went to Target, got curtains successfully. They're a few inches shorter, but we're gonna try them. Worst case scenario, we can return them. But Keenan is now putting the track in. I'm putting together the hooks on the track, and then we'll put the curtains up and that little task will be done. I wasn't expecting you.
Can you reach it right there?
Yeah, easily. Whoa.
Can I bring up my titty?
Babe, I can easily reach. You don't need to go
Okay.
to your tippy toes. How did you clip it in again?
So you have to push. Okay. You have to push it into the hook in the back, like the plastic part. Then your hook's into the actual hook. You got it?
I think so.
You sure? Yeah.
Yeah.
Next one.
Okay.
Want to get that real quick?
Yeah.
I think that's pretty good.
We may have fucked up, but we're gonna find out. We have finished the curtains. Drum roll, please.
Woo! Bang.
They're not the right, like, full-length height, but I don't mind it. And then when you open it, it honestly, like, rolls easy. It's just a little wonky on
A
the...
little bumps on that road.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Babe, teamwork all the way.
Good morning, guys. It is the next day, and I'm just gonna accomplish one more task with these curtains, and then we're just gonna call it good. I'm just going to steam them and get the wrinkles out of them. Pretend like they're steamed, but that is the outcome of the curtains. Honestly, pretty good task. Like, I feel like we fulfilled the task that we needed to fulfill. Also, look at how cute my little silk Victoria's Secret pajamas are. Honestly, having the best time doing this. This is so satisfying. Steam all of the creases out of this. Are you kidding me? I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching this vlog, and I will see you guys next week. If you guys want to see me on any other things, I post a lot on TikTok and a lot on Instagram, and usually they're different content. So every platform has a little bit of something different. I love you guys. Everything is linked down below. Have an amazing rest of your day. Bye, beauties.